welcome back to the new video of MyDreamCA. In this video, we're going to saw that a program that offered by Saskatchewan government. The program is called Saskatchewan Skilled Worker Program, and in this video, we're going to discuss that how can applications for the program or how can be participant on their EOI system on expression of interest system. So you need to create an application at first when you try to apply for their expression tree immigrations program. You need to apply through their website, and here you can saw the website. So at first, an skilled worker ISO for UI submission is not an application. They are telling that this is not an applications, that's just pre-applications for your expression of interest. So you need to click here. After you click here, you need to create an account, and they are asking for your email, your password, and then you need to create an account, and then you need to fill everything: your passports, your date of birth, your name. If you are outside in Canada, you just complete everything. After you complete everything, they assist you and they give you a point, and then you can submit your applications from their EOI system. So what do you need to creating your EOI profile? So your passport, your date of birth, or yes or no, you have an immigration representative. If you have an immigration representative, they will take for you, so you don't need to worry about it. If you are a skilled worker who want to live and work in Saskatchewan, so they are telling you that if you are a skilled worker outside from Canada, or if you want to live or work in Saskatchewan, you are welcome. They are trying to saying that you yes or no, do you have any job offer or no, you need to provide when you try to fill your applications. So yes or no, the accept IRCC expression to full. So they are asking you that if you ever accept for IRCC expression to full, if you get any offer in your past, you need to provide them, or you're going to be, or you need to select no if you don't have any accepted IRCC expression to full with other province or in Canada. For your occupation, you need to specify your occupation, which job or which occupation you need to interest in Saskatchewan. You found here, you just click here and you found the NOC code, national occupations codes. Also you need to give your educational credentials, and then what they are telling that yes or no to have document regulatory body in body Saskatchewan, Canada if you require. So here the information you need when you try to fill the applications for your EOI profile. And here you can find that how EOI work. So your profile will be valid on the day of submitted. When you submit your EOI profile, it will be valid for 1 year. When you submit your applications, candidate can only active EOI profile system in any time. You will be ranked based on information it provides. The highest ranked candidate will be invited to apply for the SINP, Saskatchewan Immigration Nominee Program. Invitation to apply are done through the expression of interest draw. So many months on every month they have the draw with their SINP draw. You can find the draw here. Here you can find their draw result. You need to download, like we're going to download it. How EOI candidate are ranked, your invitations to apply. So you can find everything about the EOI system, your accounts, your applications, or everything you found here. Okay, it's downloaded. Okay, as you can saw, SNIP International Skilled Worker Expression of Interest selection results. The last selection draw was drawn in 27th of December 2023, and before the 27th they also draw in October 23. They're taking most of people, they have scored in 84. That is too big score if you are outside in Canada. Most of people, they are inside in Canada, or they have parents, they have relationships in Canada, they got this type of point. Or if you outside on Canada, you will be like your medium point will be 66 or 70, like that. You don't need to worry about it. They have also taken people in last year. They have 64 point or 67 points. So everyone need to apply their express entry profile for the UI system. Then they are got ITA, it's invitation to apply, and then the process will be begin. You need to pay their bodies like $340, something like that, and then your file will be processed. So thank you so much for watching this video. In this video I'm going to tell you that how the UI or Saskatchewan immigration nominee program work and how you will be participating in their program.